Hey everybody, this is Aaron from BlogHeap.com. In today's video quick look, we're going to take a look at the new Add Media feature in WordPress 2.5 Release Candidate 1. So let's go ahead and log in, and then we're going to head over to the right tab here. Once in the right area, let's just go ahead and get kind of a fake post going here. So I'm going to go to lipsum.com. I have some fake text already for us here. I copy that, put it in there, then I usually just kind of grab one of the sentences out here and use that as the title. So here we go. We have our fake text all ready to go. And here's my big question is, does this thing actually work or do anything useful for anybody? I mean, it's a great idea and it looks pretty slick, but so far I have not been able to get it to do anything sort of out of what was already available just with basic HTML. So let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Let's say I want to add a picture into this post. And let's get back on the visual editor. So let's say I want to add a picture in here. I go ahead and click the Add Image button. I get the cool little light box effects there, and I can give it a URL where this picture resides, or I can choose to upload a file. So let me upload a file, and I'll just go ahead and grab something here. Probably doesn't really matter. There we go, Smokey the Bear. Excellent. So we have Smokey the Bear here, and I can give it a description. I could give it a longer description if Smokey the Bear warranted it. And then it wants to know how I want to link to this file. Do I want to, or how I want to turn this image into a link. Do I not want to turn it into a link? Do I want to turn it into a link, make it a link to the file itself, useful if you're doing a thumbnail or a medium-sized image, or do I want to link this picture to the post itself? So I'm going to click that. I'm going to choose full size because this image is already small. And then I have some alignment options here, which is none, left, center, or right. I'm going to choose left and hit insert into post, and you can see it does just what the old insert edit image used to do, or basically what it would do if you just threw the HTML in here yourself, which is it just aligned the picture to the left there, which I don't find particularly new or helpful. I guess what I would have liked to seen is some more in this area here. I would have liked to seen some more alignment options, or perhaps another box here for a style, maybe a style box here where I could put in my own CSS or choose from some already pre-made CSS or cascading style sheet options. And what that would have looked like simply is maybe the ability to add the command align left if you're from the old school there, or like again if there was a style box there or some pre-formatted styles, I could have added something like give this some padding. So we'll go 6 pixels from the top, 6 pixels on the right. And 0 and 0. Now if I take a look at this visual editor, I get more of what I was thinking, that there would be some options like some abilities to float this to the left or the right, things like that, instead of just having the text kind of aligned, you know, circa HTML4 or something like that. So that was kind of my first thing. I was wondering if that was the way that was supposed to work. The next thing that I was really disappointed with was this add video feature. So again, I have my cursor over here on the left and I want to insert, let's say, something really common, a YouTube video. So I click add video, a little light box things pops up, and I can upload a video, and I should note that this upload here is limited by your php.ini file. For most of you guys out there, that's going to be somewhere around 2 megabytes to 16 megabytes for a video. But I played around with this earlier, and it did exactly the same thing as the video URL. So I have a YouTube video open here, so I'm going to copy the video URL just like it's asking me to. I'm going to go ahead and hit the add video button, and I'm going to paste the video URL in here and give it a quick title. Then I'm going to insert this video into the post. And that's what it did. It just created a hyperlink to the post. If you look, or to the video, if you look at the HTML, you can see, I mean, it literally just inserted a hyperlink, which obviously is not really useful at all. I haven't played around with the add audio or the super vague add media, but I assume those are going to work the same way. It just basically allows you to, you know, populate this gallery or this media library. You can see some other tests that I've done here. And then it just kind of links to them, which I don't really find particularly handy. So my question is, has anybody else out there gotten this to work or had different experiences with WordPress 2.5 Release Candidate 1? If you have, head over to blogheap.com. Check out this video or the associated text article. Add your comments there and let me know what your experiences with it have been. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Again, this is Aaron from blogheap.com.